Certainly one of the things that I find really special about Ascentium is that you get the same response to our customers, the first customer, the second customer, the 50th customer, and they get the same kind of care over and over and over again. My name is Ron Fraley, Director of Marketing and Sales for Ameri-Cure Incorporated in Gilbert, Arizona. I've been in the equipment business for over 30 years, selling capital equipment and spray booths for customers all across North America and sometimes internationally as well. From the military to aircraft manufacturers, boat manufacturers, quite a different variation of customers. We manufacture all the components right here in our factory, and we're very proud of our reputation of doing this for over 40 years, and we strive to bring that quality and performance to our customers. We chose Ascentium Capital as our partner in financing solutions for our clients, specifically because they continue to offer the best solutions and a wider variety of solutions for customers that were at great credit, all the way to customers who have challenged credit. Our sales process can take anywhere from 2 weeks to a year. And that's also where Ascentium Capital has been very, very good at that, is they look at the long term, and sometimes they found a solution that allows the customer to get the equipment much sooner because the solution they provided allowed it to be much more inexpensive over the long run. One of the things that was very important to us was Ascentium had more things in their basket for customers that were, say, not well served because of their credit situation. And so there were customers that previously I was not able to get financing for that Ascentium was able to get done for me. One of the unique things I found about Ascentium Capital and their team of specialists is the fact that they make it more personal in their approach. We talk to people. They make it very easy to converse with them and talk to them like we really matter to them. Any business that's looking for a partner to provide financing for their clients, I heartily recommend them to try Ascentium. I have had a great relationship with them. It's been almost 2 decades now. And if you're looking for someone that's going to be a true partner to your business, that's where I recommend that you go.